Hello guys, welcome to the Visitech once again. This is FASTSHOT. FASTSHOT AI is like Replit. You use it to code. It's a no vibe code web application. You can see professional mobile app, and in minutes it's going to build it for you. You can see the interface it has built so far. You can connect it to a backend and so on and so forth. They have the mobile app, and they have the desktop version, and they have the Apple version. So I'm going to show you how to get the Pro account for a month for free. Yes, I'll teach you how to do that. So currently I don't have an account with them, so I'm going to create an account and start everything from fresh as well. So I'll say let's start building. So I'll log in. I'll create an account with my Gmail. I'm going to select these accounts. Continue. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So now, the next thing you're going to do, I'm not going to create any project. I'm just going to show you how to get the account for free. I don't want to waste your time. So you come down here and click on upgrade. When you click on upgrade, I'm going to select Pro account. Let me do Pro account. Oh, sorry. I'll do monthly, then Pro account. No, I'm going to go back and change it to monthly. Sorry. Click on upgrade, change it to monthly, select the Pro account. So you click on this. I'm going to paste the coupon code, then I'll click on apply. So you can see automatically it turns 0. Yes, from $59 is coming to 0. I'm paying this amount today. So the next thing you need to do is, if you've not logged in your details, I've logged in my details with Stripe payment. That's why it's showing here. So if you not log in your details, you have to log in your details. Then you click on pay. So automatically it will subscribe me for a month. So remember to cancel this subscription before the month comes to an end, because you can see by the next month you're still paying $29, which is you're supposed to pay. But if you cancel the subscription before that time of the month, you don't get to pay anymore. So you can see I have a Pro account with 200 and something credits. If I go to let's say build a fitness tracker app, let's just test it for the sake of the tutorial to prove to you that it's actually working. So you can see starting agent, fine-tuning your project, almost ready. It's going to build everything for you. So it's just like Replit, but this one is a vibe coding tool. If you want to build an interface for an app or a website, this is it. So I share videos like this. I have a playlist. I'm just starting this playlist where I teach you how to get free promo code for some services. If you want any promo code for any services, leave a comment below with the name of the services. And if you want this promo code, maybe you can type along from the video. Just type comment code on the comment section. I'm going to send you the promo code of this to get this AI and FASTSHOT AI. But if you want me to do a video for maybe other services like Canva and the rest, don't forget to leave a comment below of the name of the services, and let me see if I can get it across to you or make a video on that. Thank you. Click on the notification bell if this video was important or valuable to you. You've learned something out of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye.